Okay, so I'm up anyway now, so I might as well make myself an oatmeal smoothie. So I'm cooking my oatmeal, just like I would, but I think it's more pleasant. Okay, I want to add sugar because sugar is good. And then I'm just going to add, this is canned milk. I have about 2 cups here. I'm just going to add milk little by little until I make a smoothie so I can drink it. I think it's more pleasant when it's like a smoothie. This doesn't take long. This is a good little snack after the power outage. That was really stupid on my part. What if that was an earthquake? That would have been a world of hurt. It is dark here, so hopefully I learned my lesson. Then, as soon as this starts boiling, let me see if it's thick, sweet enough. So now I can just drink my oatmeal, much more pleasant. There is my oatmeal smoothie.